Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, I am Rasheen. Hi everyone. 'Tis the season, definitely to be jolly and also to clean. So in today's video, we will be cleaning my daughter's bedroom as well as bringing in a Christmas tree. And so my daughter is at her girlfriend's house for a little while today, and so she has no idea that I'm bringing in a Christmas tree for her room. So I added some fresh sheets and her bed linen, which came from Walmart. It is a nice velvet charcoal gray. She's 10 now and just decided I needed to add a little older element to her room instead of all the pinks, in which I like, but she's kind of coming away from it. Give these pillows a little karate chop and they are ready to go. And here I am about to add on her pink. Had to bring back the pink and make sure to put her little stuffed animals in there as well. And so today we'll be using Mrs. Meyer's Mum Scent and our trusty old paper towel. And so this is a popular unit from IKEA, and I decided to put in storage bins from Target. Most of her clothes are hung up in the closet, but for those items that can just be nicely put away, these storage bins really come in handy. And just a little hack, I decided to use this bottom bin as a trash bin, but as you can see, some trash doesn't always make it in. Now here I just decided to show all the little knickknacks and jewelry and things of that nature that my daughter gets from my father. I don't know how many rings I found, even engagement rings, or how many women he possibly proposed to and took the rings back. I have no idea, but she loves them and she keeps them, and I find things all over the place. Thanks, Dad. Now this little seating area was simply a DIY that I used an old bench and a part of her headboard. It was super simple, but I thought it was so cute. It's become a tradition where my sister-in-law takes my children to get personalized ornaments, and I thought it would be a great idea to add them to Brooklyn's tree. And if you had a chance to see my Christmas tag video, I spoke in regards to my tree being broken last year because some friends of mine and my daughter boarded upstairs from the basement. Well, just to say sorry, I inherited this white tree from one of my friends. Last year it was in my dining area and I loved it there, but I decided this year to put it in Brooklyn's room. Mission complete. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. My daughter is 10 years old and oftentimes I do not have to clean her room for her, but I decided to do this for her for this holiday season as a surprise. I hope she likes it. And that'll do it for this video. Please let me know what you guys think by hitting the comments below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, as well as hit the bell for notifications of when I'll upload my next video. Thanks for watching, and God bless.